Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Today, we have some groundbreaking news about DJI's next-generation drone that's already creating waves in the drone community. The highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro has been at the center of some jaw-dropping leaks. If you thought the Mini 4 Pro was a game-changer, you'll want to hear what's coming next. DJI is known for pushing the limits of drone technology. This time, they're bringing some truly revolutionary features to the Mini series. Let's dive deep into everything we know so far. LiDAR technology comes to the Mini series. One of the biggest and most exciting leaks about the DJI Mini 5 Pro is the inclusion of LiDAR sensors. Previously, this advanced technology has only been available on larger drones like the DJI Air 3 and Mavic series, but now DJI is bringing it to the ultralight Mini lineup. This is a massive leap forward for small consumer drones. So what does this mean for drone pilots? LiDAR sensors enhance obstacle detection and collision avoidance, making it much safer to fly in challenging environments. Whether you're navigating through dense forests and urban landscapes or capturing footage in low-light conditions, LiDAR will help the Mini 5 Pro detect objects with pinpoint accuracy. If DJI successfully implements this, it will set a new standard for sub-250G drones. Redesigned motors with enhanced ventilation. In leaked photos, we've noticed an interesting design change. The Mini 5 Pro features newly vented motors. This might seem like a small change, but it's a big deal. These vents help in cooling the motors efficiently, reducing the risk of overheating and extending the motor lifespan. This means more reliable performance, especially for drone pilots who fly frequently or in hot weather conditions. For those who love extended flight sessions, this upgrade is crucial. Overheating has always been a concern for compact drones, and with this new motor design, we can expect improved efficiency, better durability, and a more stable flying experience. A powerful 1-inch camera sensor. Another major upgrade coming to the DJI Mini 5 Pro is the inclusion of a 1-inch camera sensor. This is a game changer for drone photography and videography. Currently, smaller drones often struggle in low-light conditions, but with a larger sensor, the Mini 5 Pro will capture sharper, more detailed images with improved dynamic range and color accuracy. Whether you're capturing sunsets, cityscapes at night, or aerial shots in dim lighting, this new camera will significantly enhance the final output. Expected camera features: higher resolution, sharper and more detailed images, improved low-light performance, less noise and better clarity, better dynamic range, more vibrant and true-to-life colors, 4K HDR video, professional quality footage in a compact drone, extended battery life, up to 40 minutes of flight time. One of the standout features rumored for the Mini 5 Pro is its incredible battery life of up to 40 minutes per charge. This is an improvement over the Mini 4 Pro and brings it close to the flight times of higher-end DJI drones. Longer battery life means more time in the air, fewer interruptions, and greater flexibility when capturing footage. Whether you're exploring a scenic location, shooting action shots, or simply enjoying a relaxed flight, this upgrade will make a noticeable difference. Advanced subject tracking for smooth filming. One of the most frustrating challenges for drone pilots is keeping up with fast-moving subjects, whether it's a person jogging, a speeding car, or an animal in motion. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature an enhanced subject tracking system that's significantly more advanced than previous versions. What this means for drone users: better auto-tracking. The drone will be able to follow subjects more accurately. Smoother transitions. No more sudden shifts or jerky movements when tracking. Improved AI recognition. The drone will understand and predict movement patterns, making it perfect for action shots, sports filming, and cinematic storytelling. 5G connectivity for faster data transmission. Another exciting rumor is that the DJI Mini 5 Pro will support 5G connectivity. This is a significant upgrade that could vastly improve the drone's performance in terms of video transmission, responsiveness, and remote control. Benefits of 5G connectivity: ultra-low latency, more responsive flight controls, better video streaming, higher quality live feeds with minimal lag, stronger signal stability, reduced interference even in crowded areas. This means you'll be able to fly further and capture real-time footage with a stable, high-quality connection. For professional and hobbyist drone users alike, this is a game changer. Expected release date: when will we see the DJI Mini 5 Pro? While we're all eagerly anticipating this next-gen drone, reports suggest that the DJI Mini 5 Pro might not hit the market until summer 2025. That's a bit of a wait, but given the impressive feature set, it seems like DJI is taking the time to ensure everything is polished before launch. Unlike some brands that rush to release new products with minor upgrades, DJI appears to be making meaningful improvements. If they successfully implement LiDAR, better cameras, longer battery life, and 5G connectivity, this could be one of the most revolutionary sub-250G drones ever released. Final thoughts: the future of mini drones. The DJI Mini 4 Pro already set the bar high, but the Mini 5 Pro is taking things to an entirely new level. From LiDAR-assisted obstacle detection to a powerful 1-inch camera sensor, redesigned motors, longer battery life, and 5G connectivity, this drone has the potential to redefine what we expect from ultralight drones. Suppose these leaks turn out to be true. In that case, the DJI Mini 5 Pro will be a must-have for drone enthusiasts, photographers, and professionals looking for a portable yet powerful flying camera. Now, we want to hear from you. Which feature are you most excited about? Do you think LiDAR will make a huge difference in a compact drone? Drop a comment below, and let's discuss. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest news in drone technology. This is Technology in the Future, signing off until next time.